Hello, I'm Charlie from Sonu Motors. Today we have a Kia Picanto 2013 model, 1 liter 3-cylinder engine. Basically, the 3-cylinder engine. There's a customer tape around this area. I don't know why. But she's saying while she driving the engine management on, I'll put on computer, take a computer report out. They're talking about P0014. It's mean that one related to the timing chain problem. This is the computer report you can see now. It says about Camshaft Position Timing Over. That's mean basically according to the computer report, they said the timing over, but once I start the car, I didn't feel anything like a rattling or like a nothing feeling like a say timing chain stretch or something. But however, the computer identifies the vehicle has like a timing problem. Then after that, what I did, I'll take a dipstick out and check the oil level. It's very low and very thick. That's mean I'm assuming this car didn't see any service like last 2 or 3 years. Then take a chance and I drain the oil and change the oil filter. Once I drain the oil, normally this car holding like a 2.8 liters, but however, once I drain the oil, you see it's very dark and the very thick is like a tar. And also I drain it like a half a liter oil there. That's mean this car running low oil and the thick oil. Because of the thick oil might be the possibility timing chain can be stretched. However, we are not sure until we open the top section cams, the rocker section, and have a look what happened to the cam and the timing. But I did the service. Now it's correct oil, correct level. Then I asked the customer to use the car 2 weeks before we think bigger job like a timing job being the very expensive job. Then at the moment I'm done the service, reset the engine management light is still not come back. I running like a half an hour the car. However, I'm going to hand over the car today to the customer and I'll ask her to come back after 2 weeks time. Then I'm feeling I done the success job. However, I don't know, I can't say at the moment because I had to wait until the 2 weeks complete. When she come back, or if they get the light early, I ask her to come back early. And at the moment I'm stop video like this step. Then once she come back again after couple of days, so after 2 weeks, if it's not couple of days, after 2 weeks she might be come back. Once she come back, I'll post an update video for this one. Thank you. So this is the possible cases for under this code. However, car came back again. Customer drove 291 miles. Everything working as it is, and she said everything good. That's mean we done the another success job and the saving lot of money, because if you're going to do the timing chain replacement, you ending with the huge money. But however, I'm point out one thing in this occasion. If you have a like this car, make sure up to date your service and maintenance every year, and make sure it's have a good oil, then that's mean you can save in lot of money. If you ignore that one and using the car as it is, ending with unnecessary problem, be careful, because without knowing anything, many people doing like that things. But now, however, you know what happened and what's going on this car, then hopefully you get the good idea from this car. However, we are also learning new thing from this car, but I'm happy to sharing our idea with the customers. If you getting new thing from us, please subscribe us. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors.